I got this from Ami today. This is the Sailor Moon Outer Scouts Petit Claro figures, and this is the glitter version. In this set, you get Sailor Pluto, Super Sailor Chibi Moon, Sailor Saturn, Sailor Neptune, Super Sailor Moon, Sailor Uranus, and Lunar Ball. And here's the regular Sailor Uranus Petit Claro figure to compare it. And here is like the ones that you could get. Yeah, I already opened the boxes, but I haven't seen inside. So let's see which ones I got. Okay, so here's how the box looks like. Here's the top. And here's the figures that you could get. Okay, first figure that I got is Super Sailor Moon. And this figure is like really cute. And this one I got the winking face. And I like it by how he changes color here. And here's like the face. Here says like Super Sailor Moon. That's right. Here's the second box. The second box is Sailor Saturn. I mean Sailor Pluto. And here's like her face. And here says Sailor Pluto. Okay, first figure. First figure is Sailor Neptune. And yes, I got the winking, I guess eyes closed. And this one is super cute. And this is like this that. Her base. This is Sailor Neptune. Okay, fourth box. Okay. And here is Sailor Saturn. Guess this one is like the non-smiling face. Yeah, it's like her little says Sailor Saturn. Okay, this box is Uranus. And I got the winking face. And here's like this here Uranus face. For mine. For the Sailor Uranus that I got the just the regular face. So yeah. And last but not least is the Super Sailor Chibi Moon. And here's like the face. Here is the mini Lunar Ball. And here is, I got the winking face. Surfing. So yeah. These are the Super Sailor. Here's like the Petit Claro figures. And here's the regular Sailor Uranus figure.